it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. It's storming here in Florida, so you may hear a little thunder. I wanted to do something that I am afraid of, basically, which is brown. It's a color I just stay away from. I don't normally use it. You guys can let me know if there's a color that's like that for you, but I want to make brown work today. So I'm going to be working on a little bit smaller canvas. It's a 12 by 12 inch. I have some colors in mind. Some of them are actually my wedding colors. So I just want it to be just smooth and beautiful and kind of peaceful. Let's paint. All right, hi guys. I had not done a regular Dutch pour in actually quite some time. And sometimes it's fun to work on smaller canvases. I wanted to use brown. I feel like it's like what is it? The forgotten stepchild or something? I don't know. But it doesn't get used very often. I feel like it just sits on my shelf. This is Van Dyke brown, and I did add just a little bit of black to it to kind of make it a little bit richer. Each version of Van Dyke brown, really for any colors, it varies brand to brand, kind of the same as Payne's gray. So I'm actually using my wedding colors, lime and sky blue, and I'm using a blue green and then the brown. That's it, very simple. And I'm just gonna do it like a regular Dutch pour. Okay. Let me blow this out. So I know I've said this before, but you really want to make sure that you have a good enough base coat on the canvas to make sure that your paints flow smoothly. If you're having a lot of muddying as it goes over to the side, it could be because you don't have enough paint and the paints aren't kind of sliding appropriately. Now the other issue is to have too much paint and then your colors may get swallowed. So it's kind of, you got to find the Goldilocks of what works for you with the brands that you're using. I feel like there's a spot that's not covered right over here. Okay, so I really thought about how I want to layer this out, and my initial thought was to have the brown next to the white, and I went between these two, between the blue. So I think I'll start with the brown. Oh, it kind of scares me. And you guys can let me know, do you use brown in your pours? You can find me on Facebook or send me an email and let me know. I'm only gonna do a tiny little bit of that blue-green right there. The rest of this, now I'm gonna do my lime over top. This should be very interesting. I wanna see if any cells pop up either, because I'm not actually using, I wonder if I should use a metallic in there. I do have some made up. Okay, I'll layer one more time there. Bit more of my blue-green. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I should put a little bit of copper in there? I have it. This lime green, we'll see how these colors turn out. I think I'm gonna put just one little bit of copper. Okay, so I got my copper. I have it mixed because I'm gonna do another pour with it. Okay, so that I chose copper for kind of the brownish tint that it has to it. Ooh, okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. So what I did there, after I pour the colors around, I want to make sure that the colors can move in the direction that I'm gonna blow. So I'm gonna blow over this way and then up this way and out this way. So I make sure that I have enough paint in that area. Torch this. The torch is just for air bubbles. Okay, here we go. Oh, that caramel color is beautiful from that brown and the copper that I put in there. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is beautiful right there. There's a ton of colors that are popping up. So as I'm looking at it, it's this little part right here. I don't really care for the composition as much. Kind of want that white. And you can play with this. So this does not have to stay. Once you do those initial blows, I'm done. I manipulate the rest with my mouth. You could use a straw if you want, but you don't have to be done. You can keep going. Sometimes I go too much, but wow, these colors are amazing. I am gonna blow this one little part right here again. I really like this part up here. I'm not gonna mess with it. I think I like this composition. I think I'm done. I'm gonna torch. I'm just blowing here to open up some of the cells that I torched. I'll show you when I go down on my close-up. I think I want that corner gone right there. I'm fiddling, guys. Fiddle away. Ooh, see, I didn't like that fiddle. You don't like it? You just fix it. Now I've got a little curly cue here that I like. You can also touch your finger just like that and drag through. If you have any like jagged lines, that will help that. Okay, yes, I really like this composition now. I will show you. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm really glad I put the copper in there. Those are just from kind of air bubbles and heating the paint a little. But look at those little cells that popped up. I told you I was blowing out. But the colors are just stunning. I'm really, really happy with this. See, small is totally okay. All right, I'll show you how it dries. Are you kidding me? This is probably one of my favorite pieces. Who would have thunk it? With brown. I am missing a little bit of my sky blue, but it's there. It's just very light, and I'm so glad I added that copper in there. What on earth? So happy. All right, thanks guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.